Life, as we know it, is a magnificent adventure, a journey filled with twists and turns, highs and lows, and an abundance of challenges and opportunities. Each one of us embarks on this journey with dreams in our hearts, aspirations in our minds, and the desire to make the most of our time on this planet. Today I stand before you to remind you that within every challenge lies an opportunity, and within every setback lies the potential for a comeback. Throughout history, countless individuals have faced seemingly insurmountable odds and risen above them to achieve greatness. They were not born with superhuman abilities. They were ordinary people like you and me. What set them apart was their unwavering determination and unshakable belief in their own potential. Think about the pioneers who explored uncharted territories, the inventors who revolutionized our world, and the leaders who inspired nations. What do they all have in common? They refused to let fear, doubt, and failure hold them back. They understood that the road to success is paved with challenges, and it's the way we respond to those challenges that defines us. In your own life, you have likely faced obstacles that made you question your abilities or your dreams. Maybe you've experienced moments when it seemed easier to give up than to keep pushing forward. But let me tell you this, those moments of doubt and struggle are not signs that you should abandon your journey. They're the stepping stones to your ultimate success. Remember, every great story has moments of adversity. Every victory is sweeter when it's been hard fought. Your journey may be tough, but the rewards are worth it. It's during these times of struggle that your character is forged, your resilience is tested, and your true potential is revealed. So I urge you today to embrace the challenges that come your way. Don't shy away from them. Welcome them as opportunities for growth and transformation. When life knocks you down, rise up stronger and more determined than ever before. When the path ahead seems uncertain, have faith in your ability to find your way. Believe in yourself and believe in the power of perseverance. Remember that success is not about avoiding failure. It's about learning from it and using it as a stepping stone to greatness. As you continue your journey, always keep your dreams in sight and let them be your guiding stars. The way you overcome obstacles, the way you seize those opportunities, will determine the story of your life. So, my friends, be fearless in the face of adversity. Be relentless in pursuing your dreams, and never underestimate the extraordinary potential that lies within you. As we've explored the power of embracing challenges and opportunities in this remarkable journey, let's transition into practical steps that you can apply to infuse your life with purpose, resilience, and success. These 11 steps will serve as your guiding principles, helping you navigate the path ahead and make the most of every twist and turn that comes your way. Step 1. Set clear goals. Define your objectives and create a roadmap for your journey. Whether they are personal, professional, or a mix of both, having clear goals provides direction and purpose. Write them down, break them into manageable steps, and commit to taking consistent action towards their achievement. Step 2. Develop resilience. Understand that setbacks are a natural part of life. Instead of letting them deter you, view them as an opportunity to learn and grow. Cultivate resilience by maintaining a positive attitude, adapting to change, and bouncing back stronger each time you face adversity. Step 3. Continue learning. Never stop learning. Seek knowledge, acquire new skills, and stay open to different perspectives. The more you learn, the more adaptable and resourceful you become in navigating the challenges that arise. Step 4. Build a strong support network of friends, family, mentors, and like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with people who believe in your journey and encourage your growth can provide the motivation and guidance you need to keep moving forward. Step 5. Embrace change. Change is inevitable. Instead of resisting it, embrace it as an opportunity for personal growth. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone and explore new possibilities. Remember, some of the greatest discoveries and achievements in history came from those who dared to embrace change. Step 6. Celebrate your small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Recognizing your progress boosts your motivation and confidence, reminding you that you're on the right path. Step 7. Maintain a positive mindset. Your thoughts have a profound impact on your actions and outcomes. Cultivate a positive mindset by practicing gratitude, visualization, and self-affirmation. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and manifest your dreams. Step 8. Adaptability. Be flexible and willing to adjust your plans when necessary. Life rarely follows a straight path, and sometimes the detours lead to unexpected treasures. Adaptability allows you to stay on course, even when the journey takes unexpected turns. Step 9. Keep the big picture in mind. While focusing on your daily tasks and short-term goals, never lose sight of the bigger picture. Your long-term vision is your North Star, guiding you through difficult moments and motivating you to persevere. Step 10. Inspire others. As you progress on your journey and overcome obstacles, inspire and uplift others around you. Your resilience and determination can serve as a beacon of hope for those facing challenges. By lifting others, you reinforce your own sense of purpose and fulfillment. Step 11. Practice self-compassion. Remember that you are human, and it's okay to have moments of doubt or setbacks. Treat yourself with kindness and understand during these times, self-compassion allows you to bounce back with renewed strength and determination. Incorporate these strategies into your life, and you'll find that your journey becomes not only more manageable, but also more fulfilling. Embrace each day as an opportunity to grow, learn, and move closer to your dreams. Life's challenges are the stepping stones to your greatness, and your journey is a testament to your strength and resilience. Keep moving forward with unwavering determination, and you will write a story of triumph that inspires not only yourself, but also those who follow in your footsteps. Thank you for joining us today. We hope to continue to motivate in the future. Subscribe to our channel if you like this content, and we'll see you in the next one.